So, what's up in your life? I hooked up the high voltage line in the motor, ready to test the inverter. I got a question for you. Have you ever washed that? Looks like a normal act was left in.
Was that line right?
Yeah.
I know, Danny and I wrote it. I haven't seen this yet.
That's it. That's it. That's the intro to the show. What do you think, Welshman?
Hell yeah. It reads right, yeah. Rad. This is what car shows will be. At some point, you know, this is going to be normal.
We'll see how much more of the Vic we see.
Right now we're freaks. But one day everyone's going to be like us.
Oh.
New gearbox.
It's here.
It's here. The gearbox is here officially. Sign here, print to the right. Awesome. My toy's coming after Christmas. Ooh, they took it all apart. This is the actual real gearbox. This is not the show one. I thought they were gonna send me the show one back. Serial number 0001. I'm guessing that's the first one ever made. Just a guess.
Need some help, bro?
You good? Maybe.
I'll hurt your back. Straight up?
Yeah.
Where can I grab it?
I don't know. Anyway.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. On the corner.
There you go. Let's see what I'm grabbing. There we go. It's a boy!
That's your new gearbox.
There we go. That's the right way around. So this is our new 6XD EV3 gearbox. 3-speed sequential. Going in the Mustang.
Oh.
It's heavier if it's full of gears. Needs oil. 1 quart. 2 cooler. Plus lines. 5. Oh, this is gonna be rad.
Fitting looks smaller than the drive shaft.
Keep me. Okay. Technically that should bolt right to our motor. If all my math and his mathed together at the same time, this should technically just slide in. We shall see though. It does have a slip yoke on the rear. Okay. Good to know.
That's pretty exciting.
Oh, hell yeah.
Shifting gears.
Shifting gears.
Shiny,
Wonder what it's gonna sound like. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna scream.
Stay in attack formation.
Does it have straight cut gears? It'll probably whine.
Yeah, but the guys that make these gears make 2 sets. They make a helical. They said, let's get your gear ratios figured out first, and then we'll get you the helical. They want to see how loud it is this way first.
Yeah, but the loudness is kind of cool.
Yes, until about 20 minutes into it on the freeway,
that's
and
true.
then you're like,
When you're over it.
over it. That's fine.
That pallet.
Aha!
Nice.
She fits.
Nice. That pallet is sketch.
I can't get it out now.
You want some help?
Yeah, probably.
All right.
It's great from this angle.
There you go.
Got it.
She fits. Woohoo! First try. Now, put it in the Mustang and go shifting gears.
Yeah, let's see how you do. Okay. Yeah, let's see how you do. Okay. Yeah, let's see how you go.
we're taking the Mustang in today for a major upgrade. We have a new 3-speed transmission we're really excited about. We can't wait to test. And this is, no pun intended, the test mule. So I'll pull into the garage here, the shop. There we go. All right, let's see what we got. All right. Hey, Welshman. What are we doing today?
We're gonna start putting our new shiny toy in the Mustang, our new 3-speed.
Ooh, so this is the 3-speed we're talking about. And that's our cameraman back there. He's still sweeping.
Good job, Danny.
Thank you.
You keep it up, you'll be on dishes by Tuesday.
All right, so this is our new 6XT EV3. What's the serial number on this?
Serial number 1. This is the prototype.
Prototype. So we cannot wait to do something amazing with this and there. Torque curves kind of fall off after a certain point on electric motors. And this particular car, it's around 7,000 RPM. Starts to kind of nose over. So what we want to be able to do is grab second gear, keep that torque curve back up again, and power through it. So first gear will get us to about 40, 50-ish.
Yeah, this is going to be a lot faster off launch because we can have that stoplight racing gear, and then we can second, third. So it's going to be faster. It's going to be funner. Funner.
Lots of more funner. That's actually why we're doing this, because of the funner factor. Sequential, no bell housing, no
third
clutch,
pedal.
no third pedal. That's right. We got the missile button. That fires the missiles. But we are going to have this thing demote power, so when we shift, we're not completely beating the hell out of this gearbox. Let's get this thing on the lift and have some fun.
Let's punch a hole in the bottom of your car and put a shifter in it.
That's got to go somewhere. And
hopefully it fits where the cup holder was. Then you won't have to cut the center console.
That would be awesome.
That's
but
great.
The way things go around here, I guarantee I'm going to butcher half of this car to get this thing in there. But hey, that's what we do. We can't wait to do it. Get it done, man. Get on the lift.
Let's get the lift wide first, hey.
Oh,
We're still moving
yeah. Oh, lift doesn't work. Hey, I know a wiring guy somewhere that, well, I started it. You can finish it. Remember, those wires are hot.
Yes.
Okay, well, don't tell anybody that we're wiring our own lifts, but we might know a thing or two about that.
It's your boy. Get out of here.
Hey, no smoking. Yay, we got a lift! It only took me 3 days to wire this.
But it doesn't go down. It goes up, then it...
Yep, it goes down. Yay! Woohoo! I can wire a lift. Get her done. There you go. It only took me 3 days. No big deal. One step at a time. It's official. It's here. It's ready. We've been waiting for this moment for how long, guys?
Months.
Months.
Years.
You've been waiting for months. I've been waiting for years. You've been waiting for years. So it's been a long time coming. But here it is, the new 6XT EV3, serial number 0001. So we're going to put this thing in the dock and shift gears for the first time.
This thing is going to be a beast.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. I can't wait for it. We've all been kind of waiting for this moment. 2 months.
No, I said months.
Months.
Yeah,
months. It's been years, by the way. Well, I started this process a long time ago. Just something about, the electric motors do provide instant torque on demand, but that torque eventually does drop off. So what we want to do is be able to grab second gear about 7,000 RPM, which is basically not our red line, but that's where our torque starts to deviate down a little bit. So as we grab second, we'll be able to keep our torque up and go through second and third gear. This thing's gonna be a monster. So here we got the electric motor. This is our crate motor that we been out with for many years now and been very successful with. This is the inverter. This is the actual motor itself. And this is the gear reduction box by Torque Trends. Great little boxes. We love them, but they're single speeds. So we're now testing out a 3-speed so we can shift gears and have that cool whine that Maddie's been wanting really badly because they're gonna be straight cut. So yeah, we're replacing this back part, but we got to pull the motor out because there's a lot of internal changes that I made when I designed this new back plate, because it is a different gearbox than what we're using now. So the dimensions have changed a little bit. So I got to rearrange some wires in there. It is a little bit more of a compact design. So the motor's got to come out to do that. Fairly easy in this car. We've done it, what, 5 or 6 times. This is our test mule, no pun intended, it is a Mustang. But this is where the first motor went into. We've tested everything on this car. So everything we get in goes in this car because I know it, I like it, and it gives me like a real true feeling of, oh, this is different. This feels different. Every time we do a battery upgrade or a contactor box, it goes in this vehicle so we know exactly what the differences are. But what it's going to do is going to go into a 3-speed, back to the drive line and to the rear end. So boys, let's get this party started. Get this thing out of here, drop it on the floor, change it out, put the new gearbox in it, and have some fun.
Let's see how you do. Okay. Let's see how you do. Yeah. Let's see how you do. Okay. Let's see how you do. Yeah. Let's see how you do. Yeah, let's see how you do. Okay. Yeah, let's see how you do. Okay. Yeah, let's see how you go.
He's holding the camera now.
Yeah. What's this?
Oh, whoa! How'd you do that? That was neat. All right, so this thing's gonna get put back together once we fabricate some things. As you can see, there is nothing inside anymore. These two guys back here, or there's one over there somewhere, pulled the motor out, what, 30 minutes?
Yep.
So the entire powertrain out of the dock came out in 30 minutes, which is pretty darn fast. It's sitting right here. It's ready for us to, we're gonna go ahead and pull the old gearbox off of it, and we're gonna go ahead and put this brand new 6XD 3-speed inside the car, or bolt it onto this thing. We got a brand new adapter plate. Thank you, Andrew, for getting this done really quickly for us tonight. So there's our adapter plate for the 6XD. That's gonna go on the back of this. We remove the torque box that we have right now, and we're gonna test this thing out in the dock. Coming right up. Probably the next 3 or 4 days, we have to cut a hole in the floor for the shifter, get all that dialed in. But once that's done, it's time to have some fun and burn some more tires. Speaking of shifting gears, check out Shifting Gears on ABC and Hulu. When is that, Dan?
Wednesdays.
Wednesdays, 8 o'clock. Tim Allen's got a really cool sitcom. It's actually got one of the cars we built inside of it. So check it out. You'll see the Vic there in the background somewhere. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys can see what's going on with this next. See you soon.
See you soon.
Come back here.
I like the bucket you hauled over.
It's heavy, man. I don't want to carry it. Too much work. Say work smarter, not harder, right? Look, I'm upgrading you from sweeper to mopper.